In this watercolor video lesson, you'll discover how to paint in watercolor using the wet-on-dry glazing technique.
To explain and illustrate the different watercolor painting techniques, I will use a very simple object, an apple. First, I will make a quick sketch on the watercolor paper sheet in graphite pencil. The subject of the painting, an apple, is not important. You can depict whatever you want. For example, it could be any fruit, or a vegetable, or a man-made, non-organic object. The painting techniques that I am about to show you are universal. You can use them to paint whatever you see or imagine. The painting technique that I am about to demonstrate is called wet-on-dry glazing. As described by its name, the wet paint will be applied onto the dry paper surface. The word glazing means a very transparent layer of paint. Therefore, I will paint an apple in multiple transparent watercolor layers, applying them on top of each other on the dry surface. This means that every glazing layer has to be totally dry before adding another one.